Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World and you know what time it is Triple Play Saturday. Let's get this thing started right. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today, yes, we're gonna start off round one of Triple Play Saturday, and this one is by Mr. Times. It's called Mr. Tme Yelloz. It's spelled with a Z at the end. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look. You're gonna get your digital time. You're gonna be able to see your date, right? Which is a good look. Now, when the watch face is on, I'm really liking this look. If you look to the right, you're going to get your digital time. It's a unique way to tell time. You're also going to get digital time down at the bottom. At the top is going to be your date. And you also get info on your battery in that little dial right there. I'm thinking this is a nice look, and it is affordable in the Gear Manager store. And if I tap the center or anywhere on the watch, I can light the watch face up to give this a different type of look. Not a bad look for $1. Got this out of the Gear Manager store. I recommend you all check this out. All right, you all, that's going to conclude round one. I want you to look out for round two. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.